Hello children, today we are going to start with chapter number 15, the life of early men second. So in this chapter, I will tell you about how early men lived life over there. So let's study about the early men's technique of agriculture as hunter and the food gatherer. How they were hunter and food gatherer and invention of wheel and its uses. How was the wheel invented and what were its uses? So, early men's technique of agriculture as a hunter and the food gatherer. To begin with, the early man's food was what he could get in the forest. So, he would eat fruits of trees and throw away their seeds. What he does? वो क्या करता था fruits की seed को क्या करता था fruits खा लेते थे और seeds throw कर देते थे. So what happened one day? What he saw that from that seed the plant grow, right? And this is how they started doing agriculture, right? Then what he used to do? He used to collect different seeds of plants and grow them, and this way the farming begins. And by the time early men also had a simple stones too. The tool that they used at the time was stone tool, and use these stone tools for hunting and for digging out roots, right? Now what he started digging the land, sow seeds. It was men's first step in the art of tilling. Later what happened? He started using wooden flues for tilling the land, and they were better than his stone tool. और जो वो tools थे, उसके stone tool से ज़्यादा अच्छे थे. Then what? It helped early men to agriculture ने क्या करा? Early men को help करा to live a settled life. Now early men started living a settled life over here. Then afterwards, early men started keeping animal also. They kept them for what? Milk, meat and eggs, and use them for riding and carrying things. Now he started using them for plowing also. He did not have to move from place to place for his food. He started living at one place, and in groups he made for himself huts of stones. He covered these huts with grass and branches of trees. Then what happened? Thus families and habitation came to be formed over here. Then afterwards, mostly these habitations were near the bank of river. Families could get water from the river, water for drinking and for irrigation. They could also get fish from the river to eat. What they get from there? Fish. And they eat those fish over here. Now invention of wheel and its uses. If we talk about slowly what happened, the number of habitation increased. And what happened? One habitation started visiting those in others. The early men saw that he could use the river for going from one place to another. कि हम एक river का भी use कर सकते हैं अगर आपको एक place से दूसरी place जाना है. So what he saw? A hollow trunk of wood, a hollow trunk of tree floating in the water in the river. So he could cut down the trees and make their trunks hollow. So he used these hollow trunks for traveling in a water. And what happened? This was the first boat made by man. ये क्या थी? पहली boat थी. And sometimes he would tie number of logs और वो क्या बनाते थे? Raft बनाते थे. But carrying loads on land is yet not so easy. So what early man did? He used animals to carry his load on the back, and slowly he thought of a way and he joined two log sticks together. And what he made? A sledge. He made a sledge, and on this sledge he carried his load with the help of animals. The sledge could move easily on smooth ground, but it was different to pull it on the uneven ones. आप ऊबड़ खाबड़ होती थी, वहाँ पे थोड़ा मुश्किल होता था. अगर प्लेन है और आपका बिल्कुल स्मूथ ग्राउंड है तो वो easily मूव करता था. The early men found that round pieces of tree trunks rolled easily on the ground. So what he added? So he added some sort of rolls like this, you can see. And it was the first cart that was used by men, and it was the first step in the invention of wheel. So the invention of wheel was very important event in the life of early men. Slowly what happened? ये बहुत important invention था. And what happened with the invention? Then the men started using the wheel for making earthen pots. And this led to the invention of the water wheel. Later on what happened? Early men discovered new things to make wheel, and they were in fact metals. One of these metals was iron, and now what early men started? Early men started making tools from iron. These tools were better than stone tool, and the discovery of metal brought a big change. जैसे ही invention हुआ metal का, there was a big change in the life of early men. A time passed, the early man's habitations become bigger and large number of people started living at one place. They quarreled with one another, so they made roots of living in peace. It was beginning of the human civilization, and what happened? The modern man was taken a great step on this road of civilization, and the march still continues. This was all about the chapter of the early men that I have told you. Hope you understood how they started living a settled life and they invented wheel over. Now, we will meet in the next class. Thank you for learning and keep enjoying. Bye-bye.